First of all, good afternoon everyone who are now live with us, and thank you sir for giving this opportunity to tell me about my scoring boards and my strategy about the 10th board, so that it will inspire the students who are now pursuing their 10th board. Well, I have, as the sir has told that I have scored 96.3% on the basis of my school examination. Although you know the board has cancelled the 10th board examination. Now let's talk about how to prepare for it. First of all, you have to consult with your teachers, as your school will provide you the better education, better notes also, and teachers will teach you well in a well manner. So you have to, your work is that you have to prepare your notes in a well prepared manner. Not only in as major students do mainly have interest in science or maths, but you have up to 10th you have to up to 10th you have to manage your all 6 subjects. So first prepare all your notes in your copy, sent by the teachers, either in your WhatsApp group or in any other manners. Then try to understand what the chapter means and try to understand the concept of every topic. It will clear your all doubts, and if you have any doubts you have to directly consult with your teacher without any hesitation. At the last moment of examination, that is before a month, you have to solve your sample papers questions. Before you have to complete your syllabus. You will try to complete your syllabus up to December or January. Then you should try to solve your sample paper questions with consult to the teachers. Just solve it and get them to check whether it is where is wrong, where is right written. It will be better for you, so that it will improve your answer writing during your examination. I will suggest to you all my friends who are now pursuing their 10th board examination, prepare your notes in a well prepared manner. Instead of this, you also try to consult yourself in your household work, as I do during my preparing the 10th examination. I was also involved in some household works, and as there was lockdown in 2020 when I was a 10th student. It was still difficult for me to tackle all these problems without physical classes, only online classes. It was difficult to understand the every concept, but I tried my level best to understand. And one thing more I would like to suggest you, I will not prefer any other reference book. For 10th, if your knowledge you have the capacity, then you can prefer the other reference book. But for 10th you are preparing, instead of reading the reference book, you should read the NCERT books 2 to 3 times. As you know, the board in the board examination mainly questions come from NCERT. So I hope all the students will score also. They will work hard to prepare their notes and will score well in the next upcoming examination. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Khushi.